Drones have many applications, and Professor Changbin Yu develops drones to safeguard our borders.
My area of research is system and control. In particular, I'm looking at any system that can be networked together.
He designs sensing, communication and control architectures that enable drones to fly in formation and stay on course using algorithms he developed. The technology can also be used to monitor bushfires and measure pollution levels from chimneys.
We sort of have a connected, networked system. By studying multi-robot coordination, we can transcribe the technology to be prepared for the future complex world.
Professor Yu came to Australia in 2005 and enjoys researching and developing artificial intelligence and robotics. He's also working on coordinating autonomous cars.
In the future, when we get more of these autonomous cars, how we have these cars coordinate each other to increase the traffic throughput and to increase the speed that you travel and increase the safety. These are the kind of important questions and applications I want to move into.
Professor Yu is the recipient of the John Booker Medal.